Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a photo in TikTok messages. If you have ever tried and didn't see the option, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. First, open the TikTok app and tap on the inbox tab at the bottom of your screen. Choose the person you want to send the photo to. I will go with this user. You must already have mutual following, that means both of you follow each other, or else messaging may be limited. In the message box, you will see a plus icon or sometimes a small image or photo icon on the left. Tap on it to open your gallery. Now choose the photo you want to send and hit send on the bottom. If you don't see an option to send photos, here's why. First, your TikTok version might be outdated. Second, you and the other user don't follow each other, or the feature is not available in your region yet. Try updating your TikTok app from the Play Store or App Store and make sure messaging permissions are turned on. And that's how you send a photo in TikTok messages. If the option is not showing yet, just wait for a future update. TikTok rolls out features slowly by reason. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you want more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.